Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you apply lower lashes, ensuring your eyes look beautifully balanced and complete. First, ensure your natural lower lashes are clean and free of any old makeup or mascara. You can gently comb them with a clean spoolie brush. This creates a smooth and consistent base for the false lashes to adhere properly, making the entire application process much easier and more effective for a perfect finish. Selecting the right lower lashes is key to achieving a natural, open-eye effect. You can choose small individual clusters or a very thin, delicate strip designed specifically for your lower lash line. Look for lashes that are shorter and less dense than your upper ones, perhaps ranging from 6 to 8 millimeters in length. This subtle difference ensures your lower lashes enhance, rather than overwhelm, your beautiful eyes. Now for the precise application. Apply a very thin line of lash adhesive along the band of your chosen strip or to the base of each individual cluster. Wait patiently for about 30 seconds, allowing the adhesive to become noticeably tacky, which is crucial for a strong hold. Using fine-tipped tweezers, carefully place the lashes along your lower lash line, just below your natural lashes, starting gently from the outer corner and working inwards. Once the lashes are initially placed, gently press them into position using the blunt end of your tweezers or a clean fingertip. Make sure they are as close to your natural lash line as possible, avoiding placement directly on the waterline for comfort. Hold the lashes in place for approximately 10 to 15 seconds, allowing the adhesive to fully set and create a secure bond, which prevents any lifting throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.